When we're in our teens and 20s, losing weight is often as simple as turning down that extra scoop of ice cream or adding some occasional exercise to our routines. However, as our age increases, our metabolic rate has a tendency to plummet, turning what used to be an effective diet and exercise plan into a recipe for serious weight gain. For women, in particular, hormonal changes after age 40, including menopause, can make it harder to lose weight and keep it off. However, just because you're getting older doesn't mean you have to resign yourself to buying a bigger wardrobe every year. Weight loss after 40, and weight loss for women over 40, especially, is possible. Better yet, it doesn't have to be a struggle. So when it comes to losing weight at 40, follow our tips to get the body you've always wanted, no matter what your age, and reading up on the best supplements for people over 40 can even expedite the process. 1. Start weight training. A little muscle goes a long way when it comes to your weight and health. Women generally have less natural muscle mass than their male counterparts, and aging can spur the depletion of what little muscle tissue you have, sometimes by as much as 5% in a 10-year period after age 30. Fortunately, building some muscle with a light weight training routine can kill two birds with one stone. You'll burn some calories doing the exercises, and research published in the Journal of Applied Physiology reveals that, even though weight loss is often associated with a slower metabolism, women who added resistance training to their routine actually maintained their resting metabolic rate. 2. Keep a journal. Keeping a journal is great for preserving more than just memories. It's an amazing tool for maintaining your weight loss, too. As we get older, our memories tend to become a bit less sharp than they were in our younger years, making it easy to forget those little bites of dessert we took, and making it even easier for them to show up as unwanted pounds on the scale. Fortunately, a study from Kaiser Permanente's Center for Health Research reveals that individuals who consistently tracked their eating habits enjoyed a nearly 50% greater weight loss than those who skipped the journaling. 3. Take a daily walk. Adding a daily walk to your routine means you've taken the first step toward achieving a healthier weight. Middle-aged and senior women have an increased risk of hip fracture, but staying active can help you burn more calories and lower your chances of suffering an injury. Research suggests that regular exercise can reduce a person's risk of osteoporosis, and shaving off those extra pounds means you're putting less strain on your joints, making it easier to prevent a fall that can keep you sidelined. 4. Up your omega-3s. Want to see those numbers on the scale get smaller? Try adding some fish to your meal plan. Research published in Obesity Reviews reveals that adding some omega-3s to subjects' diet helped them lose more weight, keep it off longer, and limit those nagging hunger pangs. For women over 40, omega-3-rich fish, like salmon and tuna, are a particularly good choice. A study published in the journal Menopause suggests that adding them to your diet may reduce your risk of hot flashes, too. 5. Turn up the fiber. Hormonal changes in middle age can wreak havoc on our weight and our waistlines, but boosting the amount of fiber in your diet can help. A study published in the Annals of Internal Medicine reveals that increasing fiber intake helped participants shave off 4.6 pounds over an 8-week period and maintain that weight loss over the course of a year. Even better, dialing up the fiber in your meals can help combat the bloated belly and sluggish digestion that often accompany hormonal changes, like menopause. Don't know where to find the fiber you seek? Start with the best high-fiber foods. 6. Skip the sweeteners. Kick off your weight loss today by skipping the artificial sweeteners. Researchers at Yale University have found a link between artificial sweetener consumption and an increased risk of obesity and excess belly fat, but nixing them from your diet could help you get rid of those unwanted pounds. Skipping the sweeteners may have another benefit for women of a certain age, too. Many women find that artificial sweeteners can trigger hot flashes, so cutting them from your diet can help you keep your cool. 7. Add in a leg day. Adding a leg day to your workouts can help you tone up your lower half and make it easier to shave off unwanted weight. Not only will increasing your muscle tone help you burn more calories, research conducted at Chungnam National University suggests that individuals with more muscle tone in their lower bodies have a lower risk of falls and fractures that may keep them from getting adequate exercise for months, if not years. A study published in Gerontology also suggests that strong legs are a good indicator of the strength of another important muscle, your brain. 8. Take a swim. Hitting the pool is a great way to get your body into the best shape of your life, no matter what your age. A 155-pound woman can expect to burn nearly 500 calories an hour swimming at a relatively leisurely pace, adding another 200 calories to that number by doing some faster laps. For women over 40, low-impact exercises, like swimming, are particularly beneficial, thanks to the limited wear and tear they cause on joints, making it less likely an overuse injury will keep you benched. 9. Stick to a schedule. Keeping a regular eating schedule could be the key to ditching those extra pounds after 40. Researchers at Hebrew University found that feeding mice high-fat foods on a regular schedule kept them leaner than when they were fed the same foods on a sporadic basis. Sticking to a consistent eating schedule can also help you fend off the hunger pangs that can prompt cravings for high-fat or sugary foods, which often get worse around menopause. 10. Sip some green tea. A little green tea in your cup could yield a lot of weight loss. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition reveals that adding green tea to subjects' meal plans increased their fat-burning ability by a whopping 12% over the course of 12 months. Even better, green tea's combination of antioxidants and caffeine can give you the boost you need to fend off those energy lulls that often accompany middle age. 11. Close the kitchen. Closing up the kitchen for the night makes it easier to shed those unwanted pounds, no matter what your age. Research published in Cell Metabolism reveals that mice who spent 16 hours a day fasting and the other 8 hours eating high-fat food remained relatively lean, while those who ate the same number of calories and the same amount of fat over the course of the day significantly increased their risk of obesity. 12. Boost your calcium intake. Want to maximize your fat-burning potential after 40? Start by making sure you're getting plenty of calcium in your diet. The results of a study conducted at the University of Tennessee, Knoxville reveal that obese women who consumed more calcium via 3 servings of yogurt lost 11 pounds of body fat in over a 12-month period. Even better, increasing your calcium intake can help increase the strength of your bones, reducing your risk of a fall or fracture. 13. Opt for organic foods. Eager to shave off a few pounds after your 40th birthday? Start by opting for organic produce instead of the conventionally grown stuff. A review in Interdisciplinary Toxicology summarized that organ-chlorine pesticides can alter the levels of thyroid hormone in the human bloodstream, potentially increasing weight gain and causing thyroid health issues. Considering that older women are already at an increased risk for thyroid problems, like hypothyroidism and Hashimoto's thyroiditis, it's a good idea to go organic ASAP. 14. Make whole grains a priority. There's no time like the present to ditch those refined carbs and opt for whole grains instead. Whole grains are higher in fiber than their refined counterparts, which will not only help you stay full for longer, but can also be an effective means of battling the belly bloating effects of menopause. 15. Drink more water. What you drink is just as important as what you're eating when it comes to weight loss. A 2016 study published in the Journal of Human Nutrition and Dietetics reveals that well-hydrated people ate up to 206 fewer calories each day than those who skimped on the water. And by well-hydrated, we mean increasing water intake by just 3 cups a day. For middle-aged women, staying hydrated can have particularly profound effects. Drinking ice water is a recommended solution for battling the hot flashes that often accompany menopause. For more ways to hydrate and shed those unwanted pounds, add the best teas for weight loss to your lineup. 16. Snack on some almonds. Trading in your usual snack for some almonds can help you shed weight and improve your health. Loaded with fiber and protein, almonds can help keep you feeling full for longer, and may even help you slash the stress that can lead to weight gain. Research published in Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine also reveals that adding magnesium-rich foods, like almonds, to your diet can help reduce anxiety, lowering cortisol levels and decreasing your body's tendency to store belly fat. 17. Pile on the protein. Want to slim down over 40? Try increasing your protein intake. Research published in the Journal of the American Dietetic Association suggests that low-protein diets prompted greater lean muscle loss in postmenopausal women, potentially slowing their metabolisms along the way. If you're not a big fan of meat, try adding some extra beans, nuts, or whole grains, like quinoa, to your menu. 18. Opt for red wine. If you drink, try opting for red wine instead of white and you might just find yourself a few pounds and inches smaller in no time. Red wine is a good source of resveratrol, which has been deemed effective at reducing belly fat and improving memory retention in the aging brain. Even better, a 2014 study published in the Journal of Transnational Medicine reveals that resveratrol supplementation was effective at improving hormonal issues in overweight postmenopausal women, potentially bolstering your weight loss efforts. 19. Cut the cocktails. Say so long to those sugary happy hour drinks. A single flavored martini or blended drink can pack upwards of 600 calories per 8-ounce pour, and many menopausal women find that the blood vessel dilation that occurs with alcohol consumption can make hot flashes worse. If you do choose to drink, make sure you check out the tips for choosing healthy alcoholic drinks first. 20. Add some flax to your meals. Boost your fiber intake and slim down by mixing some flaxseed into your favorite food. Flax is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to help reduce inflammation and promote weight loss, and they may even help you fend off another sign of aging, too, the dreaded wrinkle. Flaxseed is loaded with alpha-linolenic acid, which researchers at Winnipeg St. Boniface General Hospital and Cuba's V. Lenin University Hospital have linked to improvements in weight and cardiovascular status among study subjects. The omega-3s in flax have also been shown to trigger improvements in the texture and hydration of skin, fighting wrinkles in the process. 21. Increase the intensity of your workouts. Losing weight as you age isn't always about how much time you're spending at the gym, but what you're doing while you're there. If you're frustrated with your rate of weight loss, try adding some high-intensity interval training to your routine. A review of research published in the Journal of Obesity reveals that it's a more effective means of improving overall fitness, increasing lean muscle, and improving insulin sensitivity than traditional aerobic exercise. 22. Snack on some citrus. Easier weight loss over 40 could be as easy as peeling an orange. The results of a study published in the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition reveal that citrus polyphenols can help undo some of the damage caused by a high-fat diet, helping you ditch those extra pounds in no time. Better yet, research published in the Journal of Cosmetic Science reveals that the vitamin C found in citrus fruit can help boost your collagen production, helping you fight wrinkles, too. 23. Get 8 hours a night. Getting a good night's sleep is one of life's greatest pleasures, and also a surprisingly effective means of slimming down. The results of the Nurses' Health Study reveal that, among a group of 60,000 women studied for 16 years, those who got 5 hours of sleep or less at night increased their risk of becoming obese by 15%. Getting adequate rest can also reduce your risk of dementia, according to researchers at Johns Hopkins Bloomberg School of Public Health. Luckily, you'll be heading off to the land of Nod in no time once you learn the ways to improve your sleep quality. 24. Calculate your metabolic rate. If you want to lose weight and keep it off, the best way to figure out how much you should be eating or scaling back is to calculate your metabolic rate. Fortunately, using the Mifflin-Street Gior equation, it's easy to figure out how many calories you're actually burning, and even better, it's adjustable for your age, so, unlike cookie-cutter diet plans, you can use it year after year and continue enjoying results. 25. Switch up your fragrance. It's time to sniff your way slim. Switching up your fragrance can do more than make you smell delicious, it can also help you shed those extra pounds as you age. The results of a study published in the Journal of Neurological and Orthopedic Surgery reveal that sniffing scents like apple and mint increased weight loss among study subjects, so seek out fragrance products, like tea tree shampoo or apple-inflected perfume, for maximum effect.